Epiroc are already a really solid business partner of ours. We already run Epiroc trucks, we run Epiroc systems such as Mobilaris. So they're a pretty well-known player in the industry and we have a good relationship with them. We know that they have the resources and the technology to help us kind of thrive in this environment, and they're familiar with the environment, which is the critical piece.
Epiroc's approach to the Granny Smith Collision Avoidance System project reflects both the maturity of GSM as a project partner and our commitment to delivering a quality project with a strong focus on stakeholder satisfaction.
With that in mind, we have developed an OEM agnostic system that is modular and can be easily upgraded in-field when customer requirements evolve.
CAS introduces physical detection capabilities for both vehicles and personnel independent of network connectivity, ensuring reliability in all conditions. By combining Mobilaris onboard system and the collision avoidance system into a single interface, we've ensured operators have access to critical safety and operational data without needing to manage multiple systems.
The system has been built on our existing technology stack, which has been proven for more than a decade in both mechanized and conventional mining environments.
Technologies like CAS help us reduce those incidents that pop up once in a blue moon, but they have the biggest potential impact for serious injury and harm to people. The primary safety goal for the mine is really that everyone goes home safe at the end of every day. Working with Epiroc has enabled us to test and trial this solution and see if it's fit for purpose.
In terms of design philosophy, our approach has always been to realize that each mining operation offers its own unique set of challenges, and as such, no single sensing technology will be a silver bullet for collision avoidance.
Implementing technologies helps us as we delve further and further down the mine and we get deeper and the challenges get harder. The potential for accidents and injuries gets higher. Technology can really help us bridge the gaps between what we have now and where we want to be. The collaboration with Epiroc has enabled us to trial a collision avoidance system, which is one of our kind of strategic innovation projects that we want to roll out across the business to avoid injuries and fatalities through mobile equipment interactions. And when you bring them to an environment like the underground environment where it's salty, it's dusty, it's harsh, it's hot, not everything can survive in these kind of environments and not everything can work well long term in these kind of environments. So putting them in the environment, testing them, running them through their paces is critical for us to understand whether it's going to be a successful solution or not.
Building on this strong foundation, the testing of our collision avoidance system at GSM represents the next step forward in safety, achieving EMES Roundtable Level 8 compliance. Looking ahead, CAS is equipped with capabilities that align to EMES Roundtable Level 9, including the potential for automated intervention to prevent collisions, taking safety to an unprecedented level.